today I first gonna do weird puppet shows with you today. Before I do that, next video you might see me wearing earrings. I used to wear earrings. I used to wear earrings, but it's kind of hard to see the earring. And I'm getting them re-pierced because they closed up. So, yeah. But today you're gonna be seeing some puppet shows. So let's start moving on. Once upon a time, there was a snake. It was lost with a friend, sister. Sis, I have to carry you. You're in a desert. Oh. Yes. Oh. Wow. Who are you? Who are you? Oh. What is it, sis? We found these weird people in the bags. Who are they? Oh, I don't know. Who are you guys? Tell us your name. Maybe. Oh, wait. I know what this is. It's a YouTube video. Look. Hey guys. Can you subscribe? Can you please? I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers, or at least get a YouTube play button. At least one. So please get me a lot of subscribers, please. What? Oh, cool. Thanks. What? Hey, who's this? Who? What? Is this a YouTube channel? Whoa. Guys, I don't think I'm messing with you. Nope. YouTube subscribers, man. Sister. Yes. Oh, yes. Subscribers. We love you guys. You guys are like so cool. Hey, do you want to see this? Do you guys want to see us in a doll video? Please subscribe and we'll show you our own system. Yeah, if I at least get 2 subscribers, then I'll make it. Then we actually will make a doll channel. Well, guys, that was only like 3 minutes, I think.